Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Dr. A back in the garden. Can hardly stand myself. I have so many pretty things to look at. I'm showing you right now one of the plants I really want to let people know about, of course, and those are the purple cone flowers that aren't so purple anymore. This is Echinacea, and the breeding in Echinacea is nothing short of spectacular. This is but one. This is just its first year. It's a little small right now, but oh boy, look at the color. This is Sombrero, part of the Sombrero series, Poco Yellow. And I just think it's wonderful. Its first year, its color is beautiful. I've got it in front of a hydrangea here, and over here there's a false forget-me-not or brunera. So you could probably say it may be in a little too much shade. Maybe so, but if it looks this good in a little too much shade, I'll definitely take it. So anyway, the echinaceas are starting. It's summertime soon, and we'll have a whole lot to talk about. Enjoy them. Let's get out in the garden.